Welcome to our weekly outlook. Hope you are well. Hope you are doing well. We're going to share with you the pairs that we trade, and also if you don't see the pair that you trade, do comment below and tell us which pair you like us to analyze. Okay. We're going to start with DXY, and please don't forget to subscribe to our family and to share the video if you like our work. Okay. I'm going to start with DXY. Right, on DXY, we're having this kind of let me put it straight before I shoot it. We're having this kind of pattern. Okay, so we got the buy here because we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we expected a kind of move to be similar to this one. Okay, so now what we are expecting right now, we're expecting the price to break down, give us a correction, then take the trade here. Okay, then it's when we took our trend line here and place it like this. Okay, so we'll be looking for this kind of price action on DXY. We'll go to a lower time frame and see. Let's go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, we've got a breakout through this trend. Okay, then it's broke here. If you took the sell here, hold done, then I was publishing here that wait for a correction, then you can take the trade. Okay, now we are getting that correction. Okay, this correction we won't look for buy, but we'll look for any selling opportunity. Okay, so here what you'll wait for, you'll wait for the price to give you a break here. I'll cut this one. I'll cut this one because if you go to a line chart, it will give you a clear picture. So I'll be waiting for the price to break here. Okay, on lower time frame, get the correction, then you can take the trade. Okay, we'll be looking closely how it reacts there. Okay, but we'll be waiting for a breakout here, correction, then you can take a trade. We're looking for sell here, we don't look for buy. But if you are looking for buy, this can push one more up move here. Okay, then still we'll be looking for a selling opportunity here. Okay guys, we'll move to another pair that will be Euro USD. On Euro USD, still in a running flag. Okay, you should be careful trading here. Okay, we've got this nice down move. Okay, then got the pullback of its one or A, you can call it A, then it crawl up until here. Then we thought this one could be our running flag to complete the structure to go down, but it tends to continue going down. Okay, so we'll be waiting for the price to come and test this flow. Okay, now we've got an impulse here to 1, 2, 3. Okay, we expected this buy. Hope you did trade well on this buy. Okay, so now we're waiting for this correction on lower time frame. I'll show you at the moment to take us down here. Okay, let me show you on lower time frame. On lower time frame, there's the correction. let it come to this roof. Then we can look for sell opportunities here. Okay. Then from here, we'll be looking for another buy here. Okay. Why are we looking for that buy? We'll go back to a 4-hour. We're still looking for this kind of run. Okay. I'm waiting for this kind of run here. Okay, guys. So we'll be looking for another buy from this floor. Okay. Hope you're going to trade well on Euro USD. We'll move to another pair. That will be pound dollar. And pound dollar, we've got the impulse here. We've got a similar like a Euro USD. Then we've got a correction. That will be your 2. Then we are in this buy. Okay. We should manage well the trade here because the pair can move higher than this. Okay. Can move higher than this. It can move up until 138. Okay. 48. So you'll be watching, but it will be risky for you to take the buy here. I would advise for you to let this price, or you can take it. But if you are in buy here, you can let or manage your trade well. Okay. Let it come and test 138.48. Okay. We'll go to a lower time frame and see how the price is reacting here. Okay. We'll remove this one. Can take this one here. There was buying opportunities here. Okay. So even now, there is the possibility of this becoming a flag. Okay. So you can look buy above this price. Okay. Look for buys here. We don't see any selling opportunity at the current moment. Okay. Let's take a trend line here. No, it's too far for us to have that guidance there. Okay. But you'll be looking closely this price to give us a buy there. Okay. But buy with a cautious mind because the price can on this flag, small flag here, break up until here because we've got 1, 2, 3 here. This can break. That's why I'm saying you can buy here, watch it to come to this roof. If it breaks, hold on to this trade. Okay, put it on break even and let the market to unfold. Okay, then we'll go to NZD-USD. NZD-USD, we were expecting this buy when I published on TradingView. Okay, we were looking for this buy. So now it's finished. What we are expecting now, when we go to a lower time frame, you'll see we'll expect another low. Okay, then watch for a buy. That buy can come and test 0.7029. Okay, then you can look for sell again. But at the current moment, you'll be waiting for this ending diagonal to play out. Okay, when you go to a lower time frame, when you go to a lower time frame, You let this to break, give you a correction, then you can take the sell. Okay. Or watch closely if this correction, if you put it on a break even, because it can turn here and give you the expanding here. Okay. This expanding can play out. So we'll be watching closely because we've got an aggressive move here. Okay. We can get this to here. So getting into the sell, you should be careful. If it gives you a correction, watch this flow. If it holds and give you another correction, then you can take the trade. Okay. But after taking this sell, wait for a correction here for a confirmation, then you can take that sell. Okay. We're gonna trade with KON and ZUSD. Then we'll move to another pair. That will be AUSD. On AUSD, show you a bigger picture. On the bigger picture, we are having an impulse here. Okay. So now we've got this running flag that plays out well. Okay. To this part. So I'll be expecting now for the price, as I said on trading view, let the price to be aggressive, give a correction, then you can take the trade. So on lower time frame, if you can go to a lower time frame, you can see that you remove this one. It's already happened here. Okay, we've got that price. So I'll be expecting every time the price came to this floor, I was expecting the price to break, give us a correction, then go. Came to the low of low, then give us impulse and aggressive pullback. Now it's giving us a bigger correction for us to take that buy. Okay, if you took the buy here to manage your trade, or if you're taking out with the break even, but you should be taking out with a small profit here. Okay, because after getting this run, you should put your stop loss above to be a small profit or a break even. Okay, so now we've got a correction here. We'll be looking for this correction to continue to continuation pattern. Okay, so at the current state, we'll be looking for buy here. Okay, put the stop behind, watch this run to play out. Okay, I'll be expecting buy on Aussie USD. If we move to a lower time frame, 8 minutes, and see how the price has reacted. Also here, we'll be looking for this price to play out well. Okay, I'll be looking for the price. Give me one more low here. Then watch small correction here and take the buy. Okay, trade well on Aussie USD. Then we'll move to USD CAD. USD CAD, a bigger picture. Remember on USD CAD, we are looking for a long run up. Okay, so now we will be trading inside. On lower time frame, there will be buy, sell, buy, sell. Okay, so now what we'll be expecting? Expect this running flag to play out. Okay, expect the price to move lower, then buy. Okay, on lower time frame, 1 hour, I was telling my followers on TradingView look for sell. Okay, we've got the pullback here. We've got a small flag that makes you take that sell. Okay, now I'm expecting the price to continue to move lower. Okay, I'll be watching closely 1.2475. Then I'll be watching for a bounce back up. If the price move and breaks this floor or this trend line, I'll be waiting for another buy again. Okay, this will be my last sell if I sell here. Okay, but at the current state, I'll be managing the trade here. Okay, it will be not ideal for me to take the sell here and look for buy again. So the sell that I took here, I'll manage it up until this low. Okay, trade well on USD CAD. We'll move to gold. On gold, after this long sell, we're expecting here the bounce, a correction here to break out. Okay, but the price we saw that is going to give us another low to break this floor. Okay, so here we're expecting an aggressive move, but we got it here. Okay, then got a trade here, gave us a running flag here. Okay, then it took the trade, then it should be your break-even trade. Okay, so now if you took the buy here, let me remove this one because we're expecting a correction, but we are still in that correction. Okay, we are still in that correction. It turns out to be a running flag pattern. Okay, so we'll be expecting, or it's an expanding flag. Okay, so now what we'll be looking for on silver, look for this small correction to play out, give you 25.76. Okay, to expose that price. We'll be looking for buying opportunities on silver. Okay, when we go to a lower time frame, it will be a clear picture there. Okay, so we'll be expecting this correction to take a buy here. Watch the price to go to 25.76. Okay, this expanding should play out according to the confirmation. We got this confirmation, so we'll be looking for buy on silver. Let's go to another pair that will be gold. On gold, if you took the buy on gold after this pullback, should put your stop loss in your break even, then it took you out with this one. Okay, so now we'll be not selling gold, but still we'll be looking for our buying opportunities here. Okay, we'll be looking for buy setups. So at the current state, we are getting that buy setup here. Okay, we'll be looking for this to play out. If I go to a lower time frame and show you how we'll trade this, we'll put our buy limit above here. Watch this price to expose 1816. Okay, 80. We'll be looking for that price to be exposed, because here we are watching for buying opportunities. So it was a loss on this trade. Okay, but we'll get in again here. Okay, this was a break even, this was a loss. Okay, so How are you going to trade here? You'll wait for the price to break here, okay, with your limit, and watch this price to be exposed. I'll be looking for buy on gold. Let's go to another pair. That will be NAS 100. On NAS 100, this tends to play out very well, okay? We're expecting this aggressive move, okay? In wave analyst, you wait for the first impulse, then if you get this correction, you put a buy here. As I told my followers that look for buy here, okay? That buy play out very well, okay? After it gave us a, because this was a tenor round on 61 Fibonacci. So it gave us an impulse 1, 2, 3. Then we saw that this can play out as in 1, 2, 3, a bigger 1, 2, 3 here, okay, for us to take the trade up here. So again, we did publish on TradingView that look for this up move, this short sell, then buy again, okay? So if you did follow us or you're following us, well done if you took that buy, okay? So now the price has moved higher, okay? So what you're going to do on us, let me show you a bigger picture. This running flag has played out well, okay? So now we broke this roof. So we'll be expecting a correction here, okay? For us to take buy again here, okay? Any pullback that you get on NAS, you can look for buy opportunities there, okay? Look for buying opportunities only. We don't see sell at the current state, okay? We'll take this trend line, put it across. Any pullback that you're going to get on NAS 100, pullback, buy again, okay? Watch a pullback here. So we're going to trade well on NAS 100, okay? We're going to shift on USDT. Also in USDT, there were good buys if you took the buy here, okay? So this running flag also plays out well, gave us a confirmation here, then a buy. So what now here, okay? Now we'll be expecting the price to pull back a bit lower here, then look for buy opportunities to break this roof, okay? To break also this roof. So we'll be looking for a pullback here or a correction, a corrective structure here, okay? To move up again. We'll be looking for this trend to continue. Watch this trend to continue. Pull back here, buy again. Trade when all USDT. Let's go to another pair that will be natural gas. A natural gas, a bigger time frame. Okay, let's see a day. On natural gas, I'll be advising if you keep a buy aside, okay, for now. But if you are more experienced, you can keep buying, okay? I'm still looking for a selling opportunity to come and test and go again, okay? But at the current state, watch on lower time frame how it reacts. On lower time frame, still have the trend up here. If we are looking for sell, we'll wait for the price to break this trend line, okay? Then a correction, then you can take the sell there. We'll go to another pair that will be dollar yen. On dollar yen, I told my followers that expect a selling opportunities here, okay? Because expect this running flag to play out, but the structure hasn't changed yet, okay? After this buy, but we didn't take this buy, okay? Because we are looking for selling opportunities only. So we'll wait for the price to break, correct? Then you can take the sell, okay? We'll be looking for selling opportunity on dollar yen. Why we are looking for selling opportunity? Let's go to a bigger time frame. Show you how we are looking this pair, okay? We've got this nice aggressive move, okay? A, B, C. So we need to complete this C. That will be your running flag. Then we'll look for such length here, okay? So at the current state, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity, then a buy again, okay? Lower time frame, 30 minutes. We'll be watching close this trend, okay? This trend should move aggressively here, correct? Then you can take the sell, okay? Only selling opportunity or selling setup that will be looking on dollar yen. Then we'll go to Swiss yen, okay? On this pair, we've got a impulse here. We are in a correction here. We'll be looking for a down move again, okay? But not now. At the current state, when the price was here, we said we're gonna wait for price to confirm, okay? On a bigger time frame. The 4-hour correction will give you a clear indication where the price is heading here. So now it has give us a good indication that we are coming here now, okay? We are looking to break this roof, or even not to break that roof, okay? But you'll be looking for buying opportunities on Swiss yen. If you go to a lower time frame, there's still selling opportunities, okay? But you'll be selling against the trend. You'll watch this to play out, okay? You can sell this and to manage your trade well. Then you'll be looking for buy again here, okay? We'll go to our last pair, that will be Euro Chef. On Euro Chef, we are looking for buy here, okay? We're looking for buy on Euro Chef, but the bigger structure here, let me show you the bigger structure. We can argue here that test AB C move pattern here, okay? This ABC move, we can argue that is test completed, then we are heading for a down move, okay? Because if I can give you a clear indication here, the price did been aggressive, and it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we got a break, but this break is not aggressive that much like this one. Okay, so we'll be expecting now this correction to play out and watch this correction. Okay, on this correction, there's a chance that the price can move one more low, then up move, then a down move again. Okay, so how you can trade on Euroshift? You'll wait for a correction here to play out. Okay, this C move, then a one more low, then can go up. If you are not looking for a longer buy like similar impulse, then wait for this to be a bigger correction, then you can take the sell. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching. Do share our video if you like our work, and please do subscribe if you are new to this channel. Okay?